Situated on a large corner lot with mature trees sits 1202 Timber Lane in the Lamar Estates subdivision. This totally remodeled one-story home has everything on your wish list, with over 2,700 square feet featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus a study. The beautiful covered front porch is a great place to spend a summer's evening, and as you enter the home, you're greeted by wide-planked luxury vinyl floors which run throughout the home. The open living room with its fireplace, custom cabinets, and bookshelves is a great place to entertain, and it leads to the kitchen, which is truly the heart of the home. The kitchen touts beautiful concrete countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, including a Bosch oven and microwave convection oven, as well as a Blue Star 6-burner gas cooktop. The kitchen island offers plenty of space for seating, and the custom cabinets and subway tile accentuates the beauty of this home. Off the kitchen sits the large dining room with lots of light shining through the new double-pane windows, which have been replaced throughout the home. The spacious living room with views overlooking the front porch is another great place to host family and friends. The beautiful floors continue into the spacious study, which also could serve as a 4th bedroom. The master bedroom is spacious with a walk-in closet and a patio door leading to the pool, while the remodeled master bath offers quartz countertops, plenty of storage, and beautiful 12 by 24 tiles in the shower. The additional guest bedrooms are roomy and have window shades along with ceiling fans with light fixtures. The spacious backyard has an above-ground pool, a chicken coop, and a large shed, all of which stays with the home. Located on a wooded lot and a totally remodeled home from top to bottom, 1202 Timber Lane in Lamar Estates offers all of the comforts of home.